Now in this video we are going to see how to install Turbo C, because to run C applications we have to install Turbo C. Now how to install Turbo C, step by step we are going to see. There are many compilers available for C and C++. You need to download any one. Here we are going to use Turbo C++. It will work for both C and C++. To install the Turbo C software, you need to follow some of the steps. First, open the Google browser. Type there download Turbo C++. Now second, click on the download option. Next, create Turbo C directory inside C drive and extract the TC file zip inside C Turbo C. Now double click on install.exe file. After double clicking on it, it gets start to install. Now click on the TC application which is located inside C, TC bin, to write the C program. Now after installing, we'll see the basic structure of the C program. The C program basically consists of preprocessor commands, functions, variables, statements and expressions, and commands. The first C program. We are going to see the first C program to print hello world. First line you have to type hash include stdio.h, which is the preprocessor directive. Next, int main. Now printf is an output statement. In printf, write hello world. You have to return something. Here we are returning 0. Now the first line of the program hash include stdio.h is a preprocessor command which tells a C compiler to include stdio.h file before going to actual compilation. The next line, int main, is the main function where the program execution begins. The next line is comment, which will be ignored by the compiler, and it has been put to add additional comments in the program. So such lines are called comments in the program. The next line, printf, as another function available in C which causes the message hello world to be displayed on the screen. The next line, return 0, terminates the main function and returns the value 0. Now we'll see what is a compiler in C. As we know that computer understands only the binary language, that is of zeros and ones. A compiler is a computer program that transforms human readable source code into another computer language. In simple terms, compiler takes the code that you wrote and turn it into the binary code that the computer can understand. The C compiler is a software application that transforms the human readable C program code to machine readable code. The process of transforming the code from high level language to machine level language is called compilation. The human readable code is the C program that consists of digit, letters, special symbols, etc., which is understood by human beings. On the other hand, machine language is dependent on the processor, and processor understand only the binary language. All C program execution is based on a processor which is available in the CPU. That is why entire C code needs to be converted to the binary system, and this task is done by the compiler. Now here we see the first hash include stdio.h. After this program is given to the compiler, it will convert it into the binary language. Now see first hash include stdio.h, its correspondence binary format. Next main, printf, return 0. All this the program of C language is getting converted into binary language, which is understood by the C compiler. Now we'll see next the character state. As every language contains a set of characters used to construct words, statements, etc. C language also has a set of characters which include alphabets, digits, and special symbols. C language support a total 256 characters. Every C program contains statement. These statements are constructed using words, and these words are constructed using characters from C character set. C language character set contains the following set of characters: alphabets, digits, and special symbols. Alphabets. C language support all the alphabets from the English language. Lower and uppercase letters together support 52 alphabets. Lowercase letters A to Z. Uppercase letter capital A to capital Z. C language supports 10 digits which are used to construct numerical values in C language. Digits from 0 to 9. Next, special symbols. C language support a rich set of special symbols that include symbols to perform mathematical operations, to check condition, white spaces, backspaces, and other special symbols. The special symbols here are shown. In the next lecture, we'll see the basics of C language. Thank you.